Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button. Turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, we'll be telling you how to install your app. I mean how to install fonts on your Pixellab app. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So this is my listing now. I will go and open this. Sorry. So this is it. This is called the Achiever app. This is the app you use to extract font you download. The Achiever app. There is also another app you can download. That one is RAR. It's also a similar app with this one. So this is it. Download. Once you click on download, now you search for font. Let me search for one of the font I've downloaded. So this is it. This short run script zip. Once you touch it this way, this thing will come out. Then you touch on this extract. Once you touch on extract, you see this arrow here. This one that is pointing downwards here. You touch it. Once you do this thing, now you have extracted this thing to your Pixellab app. So that's it. If you don't understand what I just did now, you watch the video again. So now you go back again. Let me go and open my Pixellab app. Let me open it. Let's check for the thing. So I think this is, I've opened this before, so let me do it again. So this is my font. Let me search for it so that you see it will come up. You see it, shortened script. This is it. So you see the thing has entered my font gallery here. So that's how you can install your your font. So in case you don't know how to download it, I supposed to add that to this video, but the screen recording I'm using is not allowing me to do that. So I will just give you a tip on how to do that now. So if you want to download your font, the site is called dafont.com. Dafont.com. Dafont is spelled DAFONT. Then you put your .com. That's dafont.com. Once you open it, you will see so many fonts. Then if you are using Android, you will zoom it so that you can easily touch the download button there. Once you do that, you download the thing. It will not take much of your MB. Just download the font and then you come back again just from the place this video started now. You go to your Achiever app and do the needful. So that's it. Go to your dafont.com on Chrome, Google, or if you are using phone S, but I advise you use Chrome. You download the font, then you do this thing that I just did in this video. So that's it. That's how you can install your font on your Pixellab app. Thank you so much for watching, and please do well to be sharing my videos and like my video too and comment, so that our subscribers will keep increasing. Thank you so much, and see you next time in my next video.